Hello friends, welcome this channel. Today's lesson is drag view. First of all, we are create drag view to lazy view drag and UI view. Inside the create object is a written object and view this background will red view dot center main super view dot center we and I set frame 00 and 100 and add in our super view drag and run our app. Run this app and this in center add our view drag. So inside this view, first of all we are adding is user interaction is enable true, and then after we create long gesture UI long gesture, target as a self UIView controller, and the selector we create method func long press gesture. Insert the gesture UI long press gesture and add this. And this gesture add in view gesture, add gesture is a long press gesture at the minimum tap and minimum press duration is 0.1. Print to after click long press. So run again. This is the code. So we need is a main view. Clear this print statement. To this gesture point dot touch point to view, so view drag dot center point move anywhere to our touch point, any click point to move this object and place to end statement. End state, click here to move, every click to move center position in this arrow point. So thank you for watching this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.